If you want to start a cupcake business commercially, then this is the best recipe for you. This recipe is the most cheapest recipe that can give you more profit than any other type of vanilla cake recipe. Hi guys, you are welcome again. Hope you're having an amazing day. Thank you so much for stopping by, and to my returning viewers, I love you all. So in this video, I'll be showing us how to make this simple commercial vanilla cake recipe. Yes, you can even do it without the use of mixer, or you can do it with your own blender. So first, let us look at our ingredients. We have our flour, baking powder, baking soda, melted margarine, sugar, flavor, and liquid milk. Okay, because how expensive liquid milk is now, I decided to do my own liquid milk. So what you have to do is get like 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk and add to the water quantity of this recipe, and then mix them together. So after that, the first thing you do is to whisk the egg very well. Make sure that the egg is fluffy before you go in with your sugar. Now you have to do this for like 2 minutes. Make sure that sugar and the egg is properly whisked together to get like a milkshake kind of texture. If you don't have hand mixer, you can always use your stand mixer, or you just simply use your whisk or blender. This can work for blender. Just follow the same step. It's less than 10 minutes, everything is ready. So after that, you go in with your melted margarine and continue to whisk before adding your powdered ingredients. Now for this powdered ingredients, you have to put it bit by bit, or reduce the speed of the mixer so that it will not splash while working on it. So if you don't put it bit by bit, just reduce the speed of your mixer so that while you are doing it, you know it's powder, it will not full everywhere. So when you are done with this, at this point now, you can see that the batter is coming out very nicely. And then the next thing is to put your baking powder and your baking soda and allow it to also incorporate properly before going in with your liquid milk. Now when you put this your liquid milk, you can either stop whisking and continue to mix it with spatula, so that some parts that the mixer did not touch, this spatula can go round, and then you can turn it very well and leave it. As you can see now, this is very very fluffy, and when you bake it, you will see that it will double in size. No matter the size you put it, when it comes out of the oven, it will double its size. If you have watched up to this moment and you have not subscribed, please kindly hit the subscription button and turn on your notification bell so that you can get first hand updates on when next I upload educative video like this. I'll be in the comment section. If you have any question, or if you have anything that you want me to create a video on, please let me know. Thank you so much for staying to the end. Thank you. I love you so much, and I know that I will definitely see you on my next video. Can't wait to see you again. Have a nice day. Bye.